folks, this is Andy and welcome to 2026 on Andy's World Journeys, my little travel channel here at YouTube. My name is Andy. I am a travel vlogger from Australia, Melbourne, Australia, and I'm right here in my hometown. In 2026, come and join me. We've got explorations here in Melbourne. I'm out and about filming one today, in fact. We're here at Godiva.
And when we bite into these, they're going to have a glorious purple interior. Here we go. Isn't that pretty?
I've noticed a lot of the students this year at Hogwarts don't have heads.
Oh, it's a real shame.
But also this year, I've got some international travel planned, but I've also got a lot of stuff that I shot last year to share with you, including flight reviews, hotel reviews, city explorations, more stuff from Africa, from Central America and other parts of the world that I'm super keen to share with you. So here is just a little glimpse. Obviously, I haven't left Australia's shores as yet, but here is a little glimpse of what you can expect on my channel this coming year. Yes, folks, looking forward to sharing all this stuff with you this year. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, as apparently everyone must say on every vlog that you make. Looking forward to sharing everything with you in 2026 and beyond. Take care wherever you are in the world. May the journey never end.